Hi there. Let me show you what we have just released on Easynote, and it's all related to the Files application. So you might be asking yourself, well, what is File application? Well, it's a document management application inside Easynote. So you can upload all your documents and files here and quickly attach them to your projects. So let me show you what we have actually released in this major update. The first thing is we have a private folder now. That means that whatever you upload in this private folder will be private, so nobody can access these files except you. The second thing we have done is now you can very easily attach any files that you have in your Filesapp into your projects, and there are actually two different ways to do this. So let me show you. We go back to our project. The first way is if we add one of these files widgets. There we go, nice. I can of course rename it documents maybe. And if I click here, I get a nice little button which says add from files. So what I can do here, I can click and then I can see all the documents which I'm seeing in my files application. So what I can do just quickly is drag and drop files here and they will be attached to this widget. Pretty cool, right? The second thing, what we can do is we can click on one of the tasks, go to the attachments, and I can then see all the attachments that are in this particular task. And what's cool now is I can also click here, add from Filesapp, and I can also see the files application here. So if I go down here, I can just drag and drop files and attach them to my task. Isn't this pretty cool, right? So now I have the Files app integrated inside Easyview and the whole project management part. That's pretty awesome. Now, but this is not the end. Let me show you one more thing. What we have done as well is we have made it possible so you can actually make these folders public. So let me dive in and show you what that means. So if I click here, public folder, and I enable it, I'm getting a link, right? So I can copy this link and open a new tab, or I can just send it to one of my clients and customers, open it, pass it in, enter, and they will be able to see these files. So now I have a way to share documents and files with anyone outside Easynote and have this external so they can just download any documents. And I can see that this folder is public. I can click here to copy this URL. Or if I don't want to have this enabled anymore, just click here, public folder, and turn this off. Pretty nice, right? So these are the new updates. So now we have really connected the Files app together with Easyview, and also we have made it possible so you can make the folders public. Cool. You can find all these new features on Easynote, easynote.com. So see you there, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.